To create an API in Next.js 14, you need to go to your src folder. Inside src, go to your app folder. Inside app, API. Inside API, you need to create a folder. In this case, I'm creating an API which will be fetching a list of users. I've named it as users. Inside users folder, I have created something called route.ts. Inside the route.ts file, now depending on the type of HTTP method that you're looking for, here in this case I am trying to create an API with a GET request. So I have named my function with GET. Inside the GET function, I'm making an API call to an external endpoint, and I am fetching the data and I'm returning the received data as a JSON. Now let's try running this thing. Now once this thing is up and running, go to browser, type in localhost, the application URL, put in /API/users, and that should fetch you the list of users from the external endpoint. Now let's see how you can call this endpoint from inside the Next.js application. For that, go to any component or any page that you have here. So here in my case, here I have a dashboard component here, or a dashboard page here. So I'll go to my page.tsx. Inside I have a dashboard wrapper. I'll just go to dashboard wrapper. So inside I'm making this API call. So in order to make the API call, all you need to do is you need to make a fetch. So I'm using fetch for making the API call. You can call the endpoint like this by specifying /API/users, and it will redirect to the API folder here. Let's try running this thing. So I'm here simply fetching the data that I'm receiving from the endpoint, and I'm logging it to the console. Let's try and see how this is working. So here what I'll do is I'll go to this thing /dashboard. If I check the console here, you can see I have the data logged to the console. This is how you can make an API inside your Next.js application, and how you can call that same API inside the Next application. So I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.